Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different because I'm going to be showing you some of the items that I used in my last pop-up market to set up my candles and my display. By the way, if you're new here, welcome and thank you for watching. My name is Carla and I'm the creator behind K-Essentials Candles. I create videos all about DIYs and candle making. So if that sounds like something that you're into, please consider subscribing. Today's video, like I told you, it's going to be a little different because I'm just going to show you some of the displays. But I'm not going to take much of your time because I'm also adding a clip from start to finish of my last pop-up shop. This one was at a basketball court at a Christian school and I had so much fun and it looked actually pretty nice. So as I was preparing for it, I was a little stressed out because it was during the holiday season and I didn't want, usually I place a black tablecloth on my table, but I didn't think that it was going to look right in terms of the contrast with my concrete candles and my wood dough candles. I went with ivory this time, but I was looking for videos trying to just benchmark and get some ideas, and I didn't find many. So I thought it would be helpful to just kind of show you how I did it. Not to say that it was perfect, but just to give you some inspiration and ideas. Okay, so I hope you find some value in this video. Let's jump right into it. The event that I actually went to provided a 6-foot table. Now I do own my own and not every event it's gonna provide it, but this particular one did. So all I had to take was my ivory tablecloth. I also created my own sign for this event with the Bible verse from Matthew 5:16, let your light shine. It's a verse that I personally connect with and I have incorporated into my business. So I was able to create it using the Cricut by cutting out and weeding out the letters. And then I purchased this acrylic sign with the twine already. I purchased it at Hobby Lobby and I painted the back with acrylic. So I used a brush and just kind of brushed different colors. I used black, gold, gray, and white, just very neutral. So this acrylic stand I purchased in Amazon and I'll probably put the link below. Along with this one, I also created a sign with my business name on it. Now I couldn't find it so I can't show you, but it also came out pretty cool and you can check it out in the video. Well, I think it came out pretty cool. So okay, next I ordered these super cute bags from a vendor online. They do already come with the logo. I think I purchased about 100 of them and I was able to place everybody's candles and everybody's purchase in this nice little reusable bag. So practical, and it's a free advertisement. So I'll place the link below and hopefully you like the idea and entertain it as well. They look very nice. I love them. Okay, next I have these wood containers, or they're crates really, and I purchased these from Walmart, the artificial plants and pottery section. And what I like about these is that there's many ways that you can use them. They do come with this metal insert and you can take it off, you can remove the metal, and you can place anything in there. You can place your candles, you can place plants, whatever, and then just kind of use these, you can place it on top or just use it in different areas. You can flip it and put a candle on top. There's many ways that you can use these. So I found these practical. I purchased 2 of them and you'll see how I used them in the rest of the video. Next, I have this wood plate And I purchased this at Michael's, and the way that I used it is I just kind of placed it on my table and I was able to add candles to it. Now, something cool about it is that you can also place it on top of your crate and just kind of get creative as well. So these are really practical. You can level them out as well, and they look very nice. So these I purchased at Michael's, and again, I love how versatile they are. You can use them in many different ways. The way that I used them was I have two of them and I kind of set them side by side as the background. I sell a wood carved tree candle for Christmas, and I was able to place one of them here and one of them in the other, and it just looks so pretty. You're gonna get to check that out now, but you can do anything with those. You can place your room spray perfumes if you have any, or candles, tins, wax, or you can even use it to organize your own items. So like your little Shopify or your PayPal swiper. You can put like your iPad, you can have your little bags just kind of ready to go and set up. So there's many different ways that you can use that. Okay, these I didn't get to use for this fair, but I purchased these after the fact, and I found them in Target in that little $1 to $5 section. What I like about them is that they are at different angles, and you can place the candle and it looks so pretty. It just kind of gives it some height, and it makes your table look nice. So many people use it for jewelry displays, and I don't know, it just looks really pretty. Next, I have these acrylic holders. What's cool about these is that, first of all, they're see-through, they're clear, so it's nice. I mean, this still has the tape around it, but if I remove it, I just want to protect it, but if I remove it, it just looks nice, it's see-through, it's presentable, and aesthetically, it just takes your table to another level. I use them in different areas. They do come in different heights, which is also pretty cool. And it just makes, again, your table looks so nice. I also purchased these, which again, come in different sizes. It's almost like a stair. And you can use them once again to kind of put your candles at different angles and heights. And the last thing I want to show you is greenery. So this right here is artificial eucalyptus, and I use it to wrap it around once everything is said and done, just to add some color and some pop to your table. In addition to this one, I also have these wreaths that I purchased at Target. And I'm able to either put a candle in between or just kind of open them up and just tie them alongside one of the crates or around the crates. Obviously, I would cut this off and just kind of, you know, spread it and put it in a way that it just kind of pops out. I don't know if that looks nice, but I think you get the idea. And so that's it, guys. That's all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful. I'm still learning, so if you have any particular way that you like to set up your table, or if you've created a video, if you're a fellow YouTube watcher or creator, and you've created a video, let me know. I would love to see it. I'm still playing around with this in this section. Like I said, I think I have the candles down packed. Now it's just all about display and putting my product out there. So keep watching so you can see how I set up my last market. Thank you so much once again. If you haven't already done so, subscribe and let your light shine. Bye guys, see you next time.